Hi sellers, welcome to this video on how to raise a reimbursement request for easy ship or self-ship order cancellations. In this video, we'll guide you on how to raise a reimbursement case when an order is canceled due to a missed ATS Amazon Transportation Services pickup and how to request a refund for the cancellation fee. To begin, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. In the top right corner, click on Help and then select Get Help and Resources. Scroll down and click on My Issue is Not Listed. This option will allow you to raise a custom support case. In the What do you need help with, type Easy Ship / Self-Shipped Order Cancellation Fee Reimbursement. Next, in the What steps have you taken already, paste the canceled order ID. This helps the support team identify and review the affected order. You can optionally enter reference numbers like ASIN, shipment ID, order ID, or FINSKU, or leave the field blank. Now click on Continue. Under Confirm Your Issue tab, select Easy Ship Self-Shipped Order Cancellation Fee Reimbursement. Enter your order ID again when prompted and click Continue to submit your request. Once you submit your request, Amazon's seller support team will review it. If they confirm that the cancellation was due to a missed ATS pickup, you will be reimbursed for the cancellation fee, and any negative impact on your account health will be removed. And that's it. You now know how to raise a reimbursement request for cancellation fee on easy ship or self-ship orders. Using this feature helps you recover your fees and maintain a healthy account. Thanks for watching and happy selling!